In this clip, we'll take a look at how we can configure specific payment and shipping options for any particular product in your Murchie store. This provides the flexibility to configure a particular criteria which may be suitable for one product, while a different criteria is required for another. So starting on the Payment tab, if upfront payments is set to yes, and customers purchase this product, they can pay upfront via an automatically generated invoice. Alternatively, if you prefer to offer a quote-by-quote basis, you can enable Allow Quote Requests, which then allows your customers to request a quote on this particular product. When Allow Group by Product Creation is enabled, sellers are then able to record pre-orders, which may be useful in situations where minimum order quantities, cut-off dates, or other types of requirements need to be met prior to manufacturing. For instance, one example may be when customers need to crowdfund pre-orders. Below we have payment methods, which we'll explore in another clip. Moving across to the Shipping tab, here you can configure your preferred delivery options for this particular product. So if your product requires delivery, enable this option here. Then you can decide whether or not to use your default shipping option here. Alternatively, you can provide a custom shipping method below. One example of this is you may offer an obscure shaped product that's too large to ship via your default shipping method. And in that case, you can provide a specific freight forwarder suited to deliver this particular product. In the next clip, we'll take a look at the Drafting tab and how it's used to manage product design specifics